Meaning of fly fishing.
Fly fishing.
Fly fishing.
Fly fishing.
Fly fishing. Fly fishing is a method of angling that involves using a lightweight lure, or fly, to attract fish. The fly is cast out onto the water and manipulated by the angler to imitate the movements of natural prey. As the fly floats on the surface or sinks into the water, fish are enticed to strike at it. Successful fly fishing requires skillful casting and the ability to read water and understand fish behavior. The result of a successful fly fishing session can be a feeling of accomplishment and a fresh catch of fish.